Hello friends, my name is Poonam Doshi and in this session we'll discuss about the variables in Java. So what is the variable exactly? Variable, we can say it's a container which holds your actual value while the Java program is executing. A variable is assigned with the data type. You cannot declare the variable like directly without data type. Variable is a name of memory location. We can say there are three types of variables in Java. What are that three types? We can say one is the local variable, second one is the instance variable, and third one is the static variable. So I'll explain you this using the code directly. First we'll see that how to declare the variables. Okay, variable program. So we already have discussed about this public static void main. Is there anything wrong here? Yes. Here string args. Now I just want to save one integer variable and I want to display it on the command prompt. We'll go for the basic example first. Then, as already we have discussed the types. So I want it as a int. So int. Now I have to give some particular name, and that name we can say variable. So name you can give anything. So var1 we can say. Variable name should not start with the integer values. There are naming convention for the variables also. It should start with the small letter. You can use the dollar or underscore. You cannot use other special symbols to declare the variable. You can use integer and underscore like this. Okay. So we'll declare all the variables. So while typing this, I want to add one point here. As Java is object-oriented language, so for every primitive data type, it provides the wrapper class. That means I can use these values as an object. We'll discuss this wrapper class later on. But yes, currently I just want to give you info about this. For every data type, Java provides one wrapper class. That means I can use this value as an object through that classes. Int, short, long, boolean, byte, float. Double. What is remaining? Char. Okay. Char represents only one character at a time. Now I want to print this on the screen. So system.out.println. Understand that in the double quotes, whatever I am giving, it is going as a string. It will not doing any manipulation, or it will not pointing to your any variable. If I write like this, then it will print that var1 on the screen. It will not print the value of that var1 is holding. Now if I want to print that value, then I have to write the plus. Plus is doing the concatenation work here. So it will concatenate your message and your value both and will display on the screen. What is the next? Short value we can say. Short. This is just a message, you can change it. But yes, here you have to give up only that name which you declared in your program. Boolean flag long float I'm expecting some error in this program and we'll discuss about this error. If it gives double D char then here I can give this. Now we'll save this. .java we'll execute this. Go to that folder, desktop, Java code, Java C, var program.java. Yes, the error is here. Read the error: incompatible types, possible lossy conversion from double to float. Now remember that in Java, every decimal value is considered as a double by default. So we have to specify that no, I want it as a float. That means with that F at the end. So now it is working. So remember this. Okay, it is displaying variables with values. Understand this statement, system.out.println statement. Plus is doing the concatenation work here. Whatever inside the double quotes, it's a message. It will display as it is on the screen. Whatever it is declared, and if I want to display it on the screen, that I'll write it directly after the plus. If you have any doubt, you can post it in a comment. Thank you so much.